Arya.
Ano po ito? Liana? Liana Arya. Ano po dito? Liana Arya. Binibinyagan kita sa ngayon na ito na Espiritu Santo. Ang banal na langis.
Ay!
Natin ang mga teams, paki-guide na lang po yung mga kids natin na maliliit. Okay, so bitaw tayo kids, bitaw. Okay, so ready? The boat is sinking, root yourself into one.
One.
Okay, the boat is sinking, root yourself into three.
Three. Ay.
Ito, halika dito. Ayan o, ayan. Okay, diba? Okay, ready kids? The boat is sinking, group yourself into one.
One.
One now, one, only one. Okay, the boat is sinking, group yourself into five. Mga batang maliit ko na.
Out na si Archie.
Okay, pili ka. Pili ka dito. What do you want? Ito, gusto mo nito? Gusto mo nito? Very good.
Ay, meron ka pala.
Ayan. Congratulations. Right mo na pala mami and daddy. Okay, thank you so much. Ready, kids? The
Ay.
boat is sinking. Group yourself into three.
Three. Ayan, three. Bilis.
Okay. So, ang out natin ay si Kuya. 2, 5.
Five.
Okay,
Yay.
okay, ready kids? Ready? 5 na lang kayo. 5 na lang kayo. Ready? The boat is sinking. Group yourself into three.
Three.
Okay, sobra. Okay.
Ulit.
Yes po? Wala? Okay. Game. Sabi natin, only one can win na. Okay, so ready? The boat is sinking. Group yourself into one. Excited. Okay, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into one. Okay.
Then,
Okay, the boat is sinking.
yung bag ko.
Group yourself into two.
Ali. Precious, alis ka na.
Alright.